Welcome, welcome. Our mathematics ABC. Solve the pair of simultaneous equations. That means there are two. It's Jamb question. Look at it here, Jamb. Okay? You know, when we have this kind of values, you remember our logarithm, indices and all that. Okay? Okay? So, that is exponential something. Leave about the grammar. Let's just go straight. Mathematics is about number. Like accountants would say, money is about the value, the number. I'm talking like accountant, I read accountancy. So we have 2x, that is 2 raised to power x plus power y equals 32, and that's the second one. 3 raised to power 3y minus power x equals 27. Like I say, it's Jamb question. So, solution. We will try to make the base the same. That's how this one is solved. So we'll factorize it so that the base will be 2. And to make the factor here, that is, to make the base 2, the factor here is 2 raised to power 5. That's 2 raised to power 5. To factorize it, that's the value of this 32 now. So we only take the value on top here. We take the value on top, which is x plus y. Remember, they come from power. Power x plus y equals power 5. We are taking the power, the ones on top. That's why I'm mentioning as our equation 1. I'm giving it voice. These things are solved. You don't know how they are solved. So that's why I'm explaining them. Let's just get it. Now this is also the second equation, which is this one here. So we take the ones on top, which is the power. And we have to factorize this. If we factorize it, we will have 3 raised to power 3. So we take the values on top, which is 3y minus x equals 3 here. Look at it, 3y minus x equals 3. The values on top only, because we have factorized it to have the same base, 3, 3. Like we factorize this, or we have 2, 2 base. So when we have the common base now, we take the ones on top. It must have common base. It must have common base for us to look at common base, before we take the top. So we take the top, which is equation 2 now. Now to simplify it, we can just say this is positive and this is negative x. See, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. We can just say this x minus this x here. This is minus x. X minus x. X will go. Okay? And here we can say this is plus and this is also plus, negative, positive, sorry. So we say this one plus this. It will give us 4. Let's go down and see. Okay, look at it here. So we say since x is gone, you can't find x again. So you have y plus 3y is 4y. Look at it here. Then you have equation 1, 5 plus 3 here, equation 2. From equation 1, 5 plus 3, equation 2, you will have 8. So we now have 4y equals 8. What will y be? Put over 4 here and put over 4 here. 4 will cancel 4 here. And then 4 cancels 8 here. You have 2. So y is 2. To find the value of x, since we have got y, from equation 1, let's check equation 1. Look at equation 1. X plus y equals 5. So we'll bring it down. X plus y equals 5. We'll replace y as 2 here. When we replace y, we'll just have x plus 2, which is the y. X plus 2 equals 5. We have replaced y, 2y. So x plus 2 equals y. So cross over this one. You will have x equals 5 minus 2. And it will be 3. X is 3. This is therefore means, therefore x equals 3. That's the answer. Well done. See you later. You can see it, Let me just raise it somehow. Okay? Raise it to zoom it and unzoom it. Zoom it and unzoom it. And that's the answer. See you.